Hello everyone, this is Diana Castillo from moneymakerarea.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can double your sales as an affiliate marketer. But before getting to the topic, if this is the very first time you're in my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and I usually talk about real ways to make money online, passive income, lead generation, traffic sources, affiliate marketing, and related topics. If this is something that you want to go ahead and master, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and I don't want you to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to share with you a strategy that is going to double your affiliate marketing commissions. And by the way, if you haven't made any commission, I'm pretty sure that with this strategy, you can make your very first sale. First of all, what is affiliate marketing? Basically, you are promoting someone else's products, and this person is going to pay you a commission. It can be anything between 10% to 100%. And most likely, you're going to be like, okay, what kind of products can I promote? Oh, you can promote physical products, you can promote digital products. It's up to you. My suggestion is go with digital products because you can have a higher margin. So that means that you're going to get a greater commission, 50% or more. Okay, this is actually good if you're doing paid traffic, and if you're doing free traffic, which is also known as organic traffic, it's also great because, hey, your commission is going to be way bigger than, let's say, 10% of $100 product. It's just $10. Is it worth it? Not for me. So with that said, like, hey, you are not the owner of the product, so you don't have any kind of control. And by control, I mean that you cannot offer people discounts if the producer do not offer them, right? You are going to be offering the exact same product or service to everybody, to your audience. So that means that there is a lot of other affiliate marketers who are actually doing the same. So let me show you, like, for example, one of the platforms that I'm promoting, it's actually Builderall, right? So Builderall is an all-in-one marketing solution. You can create websites, you can actually create funnels, you can do email marketing, you can do apps, you can do webinars, you can do live stream webinars or evergreen webinars. So everybody have like the same pages. It's actually the same product. We don't have like any difference. I cannot ask them, or I cannot promise people who are actually checking Builderall because I'm suggesting them like, oh, they're gonna have an extra feature. That's not how it actually works. So as you can see here, you do have all the features like super checkout, order bumps, upsells, downsells, pop-ups, testimonials. So with that says, hey, I cannot be offering them any other feature on Builderall. So if you're just offering Builderall, chances are that yes, you're gonna get a solution every now and then because this is a great product. But this is actually what you need to keep doing. You need to be offering bonuses. Okay, you need to be offering bonuses. For example, in my case, I provide people in step-by-step training of how they can promote Builderall. I'm providing them a one-on-one mentorship call, done for you sales funnels, a Facebook training, a private Facebook group, email swipes, a training bonus of how you can do CPA marketing. And in order to do CPA marketing the right way, you need to be using Builderall, and I'm going to give you unlimited support. Okay, so the value now, and this is a perceived value, is almost $3,000. Wow, because why? You are going to be getting all of this just by testing Builderall with my affiliate link. And if you decide to, to stay, you're going to be getting my bonuses. So now you are going to have something extra that is going to help you with Builderall. In this example is actually with Builderall. So I 10x, or I 10x the perceived value of the offer. Okay. Yes, as again, I cannot, go to Builderall and ask them like, hey, I need to add these extra features because in an affiliate, right? especially if you are just getting started and at the beginning you are not a super affiliate, you're not, they're in the rankings, right? They're gonna be like, hey, who's this person? Why he or she is asking this? So as you can see here, and let me go back to my bonus page, everything here is related to Builderall. Okay, everything here is related to Builderall. Okay, the done for you sales funnels, you need to have Builderall if you want them. Okay, the step-by-step training is to promote Builderall. Okay, so everything here it's related to Builderall. Okay, the CPA marketing bonus training it's related to Builderall. So whenever you decide to go and create these bonuses, right, they need to be related to the product or service you are offering. Okay, it needs to be related. I don't know what type of product you are promoting. In this example, this is an actual tool, but let's say that you are offering a done for you system, okay, like a digital franchise or something like that. You can, first of all, you need to study the product. You need to know what the product offers. If you realize at the beginning, I told you what some of these features that Builderall has. Okay, you need to study it. In my case, they have a drag and drop email marketing. You can send SMS. As I told you, it's an all-in-one marketing solution, right? So I know, like, okay, people who are gonna get this is because they are doing or they are looking to promote something. It can be their product, it can be their service, it can be Builderall. So they need to know how to use Builderall, right? In this case, Builderall, they do have a really good knowledge base. They do have a lot of trainings, so I don't need to do that. But if you are offering another product or another service that the system do not have that many trainings, right? You can do that. You can be like, okay, if you join with my link, I'm gonna give you a full training of how you can do XYZ with these two, right? Let's say that you're on the weight loss industry and maybe you are, I don't know, you are promoting, I don't know, a shake. I really don't like to promote physical products. So let's say that you are actually promoting, it's going to be a digital course. Members, maybe people are looking to lose weight, so they're going to be, buying this XYZ digital course. So you can tell them like, okay, if you decide to join the product with this link, the bonuses are going to be my checklist of what you need to be doing on a daily basis if you want to lose weight. Maybe I'm going to give you an ebook of the top 3, I don't know, meals that you cannot miss or you need to be doing on a weekly basis if you want to boost your fat burn or something like that. Okay, and you're going to be part of the community in which you're going to be, you're not going to be alone doing this training. You're going to be sharing your experience with other people who are part of the training. So as you can see, in this case, I'm offering bonuses related to my product, and that product was on the weight loss industry. So you need to understand that these bonuses, they need to help people, okay? They need to help people. They need to complement what other people are doing. Or sometimes the product, it's great, but it's not perfect. What else you can add it? What else you would like the product to have? Like, okay, in my case, I prefer to be promoting products that I use, okay? And I give value. So it's easier for me to create bonuses because I already use the product. If I'm promoting a training, I already, enroll in the training. So it's easier for me to understand like how it works, how people feel, right? And with that says, I'm going to be creating my bonuses. So this is a way in which you can skyrocket your actual results with affiliate marketing. It's not that hard. Okay, your bonuses are going to be growing with time. Check out what your competitors are doing. If someone else is giving bonuses, okay, model them. Do not copy them, okay? But model them. Okay, I'm gonna be offering X, Y, Z, this, and that. Okay. So with that said, you're gonna double your conversions because you are, giving an irresistible offer. It's not just a product that everybody else is offering with the same price, with the same feature. Hey, I want to be part of his or her community. I want this extra help. Okay. So with that said, I hope you find, guys, this information valuable. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. That's gonna help me. It's gonna help my video. It's gonna help my channel. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and leave your comment in the comment area. If you have some comments, some questions, I'll be more than happy to answer them. And I see you on the next video.